cash money.
Good fucking morning, guys. Today is Thursday, 24th of July. We got until the 30th of the month to finish up the challenges on the 150k and 300k. If you haven't checked the last episode, we took a break even on a funded and a loss on both of those accounts that put us a bit down because both of them were up, right? And the 150k was close to a challenge pass, which it still is. But I thought about it, and we might have the trailing drawdown super close to us. So we might have to watch out for that. And because we only have about a week until the challenge subscription, I mean, I'm not going to pay for a challenge subscription, obviously, and you shouldn't as well. You shouldn't be in a challenge for more than 1 month, especially in futures. So we're going to, depending on the trade frequency, I'm still going to trade it normally. But hey, if it comes close to it, I'll risk a lot. Now it's still morning, nothing happened in the markets yet. I did my morning run, I read, vibed to some music. This song is kind of gay though. But hey, I've been doing my backtesting and it's going quite well. Here, as you can see, backtesting. If you can do it every single morning before the markets open, that's good. If you're still not full time, you can do it at least 1 to 2 hours a day, right? You can't see much of the positions here, but yeah, we're nicely up. I'm not cheating here. This is for my own, all right? I'm just showing you because it's the futures journey, but this is for my own. I know your favorite guru might share 100% win rate. I don't have it, as you can see, but it's still good results, decent equity curve, right? Like I said, this is for me. I have to be confident to the truth in order to improve, right? There's no point in cheating and have 100% win rate because then it's gonna come out of my pocket, That's why it's the truth. So as you can see, these are some of the stats, right? Looking very nice on a monthly to month basis, right? We had a bit of a slump here, but then looking pretty good. And this is how, no matter what happens in the live markets, you remain confident. You remain doing the same thing. No matter if you take 5 losses in a row, that's factoring in the data, and you know that the strategy works over a long period of time, over a long span of trades, right? We got 182 trades. 182 trades, you can already build a foundation out of it, how the strategy and the edge works. That's why no matter what happens, guys, I'm still confident. I still remain confident in the series. I still keep going. And even if we blow these challenges, if we blow the funded, I'll remain in futures and I will get some results out of it. And that's for sure. If I do what I'm doing in backtesting, then there's no way I can't make money out of it. And so remember that when you're trading in live markets. And if we could held trades overnight, this would have been a trade I sent out as a signal the other time. If you remember, I sent out this, buy an NQ like this as a free signal. And this right here, it's exactly this. Could have been a nice TP. Alright boys, market is looking like this, 15 minutes until open. Of course we're going to these levels, no doubt about it. I'm waiting for market to open, second sweep of this level, making it a smart money trap. Nice entry on that, taking advantage of this move towards the liquidity. And we in a Forex trade, I just call it out for the boys in the premium. But look at this bitch, man. Holy moly. I still got it on Forex, man. Don't get it fucked up. Look at this bad boy. Oh, we're halfway. We're more than halfway, baby. Stop playing. All right, this is Forex, bud. I call it out, man. I call it out. Students winning, man. All right, I'll stop being a dickhead. Yo, NQ and ES. They might run away though. They might run away. I don't know. Let's see. It's literally 30 seconds, as you can see, till market open. I told you about that level, and now you're ready to smash it, bruh. Alright, we didn't get the longs. Might get the shorts. Chee-wee-wee. We're gonna have a second sweep to it to have some structure and then position ourselves kind of like this, depending on where the stop loss is. But yo, EU fucking rocket, man. Easy, shit easy. Chewy. But yo, all my wins go to God, man. All my wins go to God. This shit is fucking... Oh. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, interesting. We might have a buy opportunity here, but at the same time, we might, ES is looking in a short position. But I was also looking for a double sweep. So you might have the confluence of NQ sweeping this, going higher, at the same time that ES goes higher to take out this high, right? Because the overall price action might still be bullish. And you have to notice that this is all-time highs on ES, but on Q, we're only here. So that would be kind of the divergence thing the others look at. And in Q, look at these fucking equal highs, man. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. That shit's gone, man. That shit's gone. We got a win on Forex. Can we get a win on futures too, man? That's the question. That's the question. So probably delete this. I want to see NQ really sweep this and come to this little small efficiency here. That would be very nice. There's two options, boys. Either this short or this buy. Like I said, I'm gonna go for the buys though. Order is in, and this is gonna be taken on the funded, which is looking like this. Hopefully we don't blow it because of the equity shit, but yeah. Let's see, man. Don't judge me, this is fucking bangers, man. Woo! You know what I'm gonna say? You thought I was gonna say push, baby, push, right? But nah, I'm gonna say chee-wee-wee. Hey man, I'm gonna tell you, these videos are not for everybody, man. I don't know if you've been watching the series or not, but every single episode there's a new fucking saying, man. Y'all cannot make me famous, man. Y'all cannot make me famous. Let's keep it low key. But if I see one of these motherfucking influencers using my terms, man, I'ma sue your ass, boy. I need my shmoney. I need my shmoney. Okay. I need my shmoney. That's another one. But yo, on a serious note though, you're watching me being a dickhead, but on a real though, it's not like that. I hope you're not seeing this and be thinking, oh, Dylan's a motherfucker, so I'm gonna be a motherfucker, let's make money. It doesn't work like that. Go watch the other videos. Watching this bullshit, but go watch my other videos where I'm just screen recording and teaching you how to trade seriously without saying chee wee wee every 5 seconds, right? Because you're seeing me trade like this and you might think, it's probably a scammer, even though I'm just trading on live markets, you can see everything. But yeah, as soon as you watch my other videos, you realize, okay, maybe this guy knows something. Maybe this guy knows something. But if you're just watching these videos, I can understand you kind of hating me and like, what the fuck is this kid on, right? But we up a bit on the position. Looking decent, she still likes us, okay? We're gonna hop on a quick exceptional call I just booked with the guys on a premium. So we're gonna discuss the markets because it's looking kind of interesting. Even though we got a win on Forex, there might be another position. Alright guys, we're here in the pool. The position is looking nice. It's still hovering around that $300 mark. So we're gonna let that play out. If we close it now, let's say if market closes around this area, which is 1 hour, we get the funded account to -2%, and if it does manage to go to TP, then I think the account would be at -1%, which would be pretty good. But yeah, overall it's been a good day so far. I've been smashing on Forex, currently kind of smashing on futures as well. Students smashing it as well. Just had 2 students having a certificate lately, and yeah, a bunch of students that are killing it. One has got like 4 wins today. Crazy. It's been a couple hours, boys. Didn't see this, but yo, we back, baby, we back. Okay, so nice little run up, but obviously kind of slow. Don't know if we'll have enough fuel to go there to the TP because it's already 8 p.m. Market closes at 11 or so. There's still this equal high, as you can see by the red line. It will get taken for sure, but ooh, push baby, push. I'm gonna put myself break even, just in case. And this, I mean, we might take over, we might take this home, let's say. I don't want to push it too much, because I don't think market has enough fuel to go there, and as soon as it takes this liquidity, obviously there's going to be a reaction, and that reaction might put us here or here, I don't know. There's still some hours to the market, but ooh, okay. It's making perfect equal highs, I don't know why. I mean, I know why, it's to build more liquidity. Like I said, there will be a reaction from this point. As you can see, it's already giving it right now, but this is to trap even more people. I can bet you with my life, right? I'll quit my channel, this level will not hold. And we're good to go on about our, not day, evening. And yes, you're seeing the sky like this, and all the sun and stuff, and it's 8 p.m. in Portugal. Yes. The sun only sets at 10 p.m. Alright people, it's already night, as you can tell. We're gonna see how the price is looking, if we get a chiwi or not. Yeah, better than last time though, but it has basically closed like this. I know this level will be tagged. We can pretty much skip tomorrow and you'll see, but yeah, this was a little 300 something. I told you. Market closed here, but that level was touched. The liquidity was swept. We got RTP. We would have had RTP. Okay, 15 minutes until market opening, and the boy Trump is already speaking, man. He's already causing chaos in the markets, saying 50-50 of making a deal with the EU. So that's shaking up the futures and obviously Forex markets a bit. This I didn't take. I'm ready to, if it gives me a setup. Same with EU. And already giving my future analysis on it as well, because we've been winning quite well. And this is what I'm seeing for the day. If you're trading my strategy, this is really how you should approach the markets. You start the day off, you have one liquidity above, one liquidity below. You mark them and you wait for one to get hit and you just buy or sell accordingly, right? If we sweep the lows, you buy. If we sweep the highs, you sell. Obviously, then there's other things that come to it, but that's the basis of it. That's the basis, and those would be the high probability zones on where your trade could play out. And you don't need to guess if the highs are going to get hit first, if the lows are going to get hit first. It's just a matter of waiting. Just wait for price to either sweep the highs or lows, and then you position yourself. You control yourself by asking yourself, do you want money or not? Right? If you want, just wait for the setup. So 15 minutes until the session starts. About to go crazy as usual. Right, I think we got the 150k next because we traded the funded yesterday. So, which one are we picking, boys? I never tasted this one. Okay, we have price going to the upside. I thought we would reach the downwards action first, but I didn't execute it. Like I mentioned, we didn't lose money because we're not in a position. I imagine this could happen though, because we had one sweep of London right here. And then you have the second one right here as market open. And then you may take advantage of the longs. The only thing is, it's risky, it's internal. This structure is not so good, right? This order block has already been mitigated right here. There's not much reason why it could retest it. Boys, I was expecting some, but the markets are fucking slow and boring. So this is NQ, this is yes, nothing happening. Today's Friday, so we might as well end it right here. Go to the weekend, do some backtesting, and come hard next week. Don't miss out on the next episode because we literally gotta gamble, in a sense, the 150k and 300k, because unless we gotta pay for the challenge, and we're not paying for fucking challenges. So we're passing them and one go if possible. I'll see you boys on the next episode. If you want to be coached by me, you can book a call down below. You'll also get a free Apex account just for you to train on it, potentially get funded, even with signals or with the own knowledge that you learn in this mentorship, and start to make money out of that. Book a call down below or reach out to me on my Instagram and we can discuss about it. Apart from that, comment, like, subscribe, all those good stuff, and I'll see you boys on the next one. Peace out.